Crafters, it's me, Jen Evers with Quality Crafts, and welcome to another 1 in 10 by Jen from Mailbox to Masterpiece. That's a mouthful, but basically all it means is that you send in some scraps, and then I will take 10 minutes on my timer. I will create a card for you, stamp the back, and send it back out. So if you're interested in getting into this series with us, go ahead and join us in on our Quality Crafts group in Facebook, and we will help you get connected. I already have a card base set up, 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, and this one comes to us from Elise, and she is number 148. So I'm going to go ahead and open this, and we're going to see what we got to work with. Thank you, Elise, for being a part of this. Cute! Look, there's a butterfly. Got some pretty papers. That's cool. Look at that. Looks like a die that just didn't quite cut it all, but it's beautiful, all like different like that. I love it. And then in here we've got some glittered foam pieces, butterflies, flowers, and this cute little tree. Look at this. Like a wooden, I love wood, so I'll probably be using that. And then we've got some blue. So I've got a lot to work with. I'm going to go ahead and set my timer, and let's take off. This is so pretty. I think I'm going to go with that. Put that down as my bottom piece. Something to work off of. So that'll go down there. I've got a little piece then left to put inside, which is cool. Pop that inside first, and then I'm going to take this one as well. That on top, and then I definitely want some of this on there, so I'm thinking maybe not all of it. Let's go ahead and cut that a little bit in half. That way we can put a piece on the inside too if we want to. And I definitely want to use some of this. Look at that. I have to decide how I want to do this. So I want to put a piece of this on the inside as well. Okay. I've got a corner cut off, so I'm going to put some of this in there. And I think a little bit of this too. That's how I'm going to do that one. You want to leave some white so that they can do some writing on there if they want. And then I'm going to put a little bit of wet glue on the back of this to hold it down. Try to do some little tiny dots here. I should have shoved this through my Xyron. That's something I need to pop out and have around. Yeah, see, because that's not going to stick there. I need some more. There we go. Soak up some of that glue with just my finger. Get that off of there. That's kind of cool. Love it, love it. Alright, I got to put this back in because otherwise the glue just keeps leaking out. And I have to trim this. we go. Very cool. So let's make this look similar to the outside here. We want to put some of this in here too. So yeah, I think we're going to just put this right over the top. So maybe we want the purple to hang out instead. Nope, I think I'm going to go this way. And then this is going to go on the corner, kind of like that went up in a corner. This one's going to go up in a corner too. So I'm going to let some of it hang off the edge. And I'm going to try to put this in my garbage can and use my beacon spray. If I can find what I did with it. I used it recently. Very recently. There it is. Now this isn't going to spray perfect because I didn't clean out the nozzle like I should have, but hopefully I get enough on enough parts that it will stick down decently. So let's give it a try. Want all those little parts on the bottom. Looks like it covered most of it. Maybe not this side, but... Alright, let's trim off and see what we get. That'll work. That will work. I just need to wipe off the spray. I'm going to add a little bit to this corner because this is not sticking at all. These little delicate pieces too, just a little bit of glue under there so they don't get ripped off. And a tiny bit for that. Pretty darn cool. Alright, let's keep that. That looks cool. Then, of course, the butterfly is going to go on there. But I think I'm going to put that butterfly on something a little bit more heavy. I'm just going to glue it right onto something a little heavier. So that when I fussy cut, it's not flimsy. Hopefully this will work. I thought I was going to do like really close, but I changed my mind. I'm going to leave just a little bit of a barrier there. I'm not going to go under the antenna. It's going to go around it. Then I'm going to press it out again. Just make sure there's no like little bumps and folds. And then this will be sturdy enough for it to handle just manipulating it with my fingers so that I can make it pop up. It'll get squished down in mailing, but then she'll know that it's made to pop up. Alright, I've got 2 minutes left. I'm going to make sure to get this glued down. And then I'm just going to take a look and see if there's like some other little things I'd like to add. So I've got a little extra time. Okay, I need my bone folder. There it is. that falling off of there. Oh, and now the bottom's coming off. Put a little bit more glue in there. Might take me the extra bit of time just to do this part. Just to get him all on there. Alright, so a really nice sentiment would fit in here. I don't have one on hand, so I won't be adding one, but there's plenty of room for you to add it. I didn't get any of this on there. We could do some little flowers. That's cute. Since we only have a little bit of time left, let's go ahead and put some of these on. That's really cute. Oh, that's fun. That added a little pop of life to there, didn't it? Little pop of life. I don't want to add anything else because I like the way that turned out. Alright, cool. Beautiful scraps, Elise. And what I will do is put them in the Cropping in the New Year box. I'm going to have some super fun stuff to work with. And if you're not a partier, but you like to stay connected and you want to hang out with some fun people, put that on your calendar from 8 p.m. to midnight on New Year's Eve this year so that you can be a part of Crop in the New Year. And that's what I use all the scraps for. Again, this will go back to Elise. I hope you love it, Elise. It's really cool. And I will stamp my information on the back and send that out to you, my friend. So thank you for being a part of it again. You know where these are going to go. And if there's anything else, Quality Crafts, that you're missing or you have questions, check out qualitycrafts.com, and you're always free to contact either Penny Jo Ratcliffe or myself on Facebook. PM is the quickest way to get a hold of us if you have a question. And I cannot wait to see you guys next video.